So today I'm going to show you how to apply tempered glass onto your camera screens. I cannot stress enough how important it is to protect your camera screens because a cracked or broken screen is going to be very expensive. If you're lucky, you will have to pay a lot of money to get the screen replaced. If you're unlucky, you'll need to replace the entire camera. That's why a screen protector is the most important camera accessory of them all. So here's the process you need to follow. Firstly, thoroughly wash your hands with soap and then dry your hands with a clean towel. This is really important as it means you are less likely to transfer dirt or fingerprints to your camera screens. Next, pick a location that has as little dust in the air as possible. Before I apply screen protectors, I usually run an air purifier in the room for several hours just as a precaution. The screen protectors normally come with a pack of accessories. Firstly, you've got the tempered glass itself. In this case, I'm protecting the screens on my GoPro Hero 10, and I've received 3 pieces of tempered glass in the pack. One for the back screen, one for the front screen, and an additional one for the lens cover. However, I won't be putting one on the lens cover because the GoPro 10 lens cover has a special hydrophobic coating that's designed to repel water and resist scratches. Worst case scenario, if the lens cover breaks, I'll just buy another one because they're pretty cheap to replace. The next item in your pack will be some wipes. These are usually in pairs and you'll have a dry wipe and a wet wipe. There's often a microfiber cloth included as well. This is similar to the ones you get when you buy a pair of glasses. And finally, you'll receive some stickers. One will be an anti-dust sticker, and you'll also get a couple of long and thin ones called guide stickers. So the first thing you need to do before you can apply the tempered glass is clean the screen. Open the packet marked wet wipe and thoroughly wipe the screen with it. You should be quite thorough when doing this as you need to remove all the hidden dirt, dust and oil that has built up on your screen. If your camera is new, it may not need much cleaning, but I'd still recommend you do this properly. Next, you need to dry the screen using the dry wipe. And again, you should be very thorough when doing this. Once it's dry, give it a final polish with the microfiber cloth. At this point, you can also use the dust remover sticker to pick up any stray bits of dust that still remain on your screen. However, I don't need to do that because my screen is free of dust at this point. We're now ready to apply the tempered glass. When you pick up the screen protector, you'll notice that there's a sticker on one side with the word back written on it. This is the side of the tempered glass that should face down towards your screen. Line up your screen protector on top of the screen. It doesn't have to be absolutely exact. If you get it slightly wrong, that's not the end of the world. But if you're a perfectionist like me, then you'll probably want to line it up very precisely. Once you're happy that the tempered glass is lined up correctly, you need to attach one or more of the guide stickers. There is already a sticker with back written on it attached to the screen protector. Ideally, the guide stickers should be attached on the opposite side of the glass. But if it's more convenient, you can attach them to any other side too. Make sure to press down firmly on the guide sticker. Now, lift up the screen protector and remove the backing by pulling on the sticker marked back. This exposes the glue on the bottom of the tempered glass. Now all you need to do is carefully place the tempered glass back down onto your camera screen and press on it with your finger. If you've done this correctly, there should be no dust and no bubbles of air between your screen and your tempered glass. Give the tempered glass a polish with the microfiber cloth to push it firmly onto the screen. And your camera is now protected. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.